Hello.
Hello, good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Rosie Bernardo, Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am single. I have a living partner that we don't have a child. We adopted his niece. She's now 18 years old. And I am a college graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I've undergone my on-the-job training in Singapore, in Country Club and Star Plaza Hotel in Pangasinan as waitress. I prepare and serve their order. And housekeeping in Pangasinan Capital Resort. I clean the bedroom, bathroom, and prepare their other needs or attend their other needs. I have work experience before as domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties are cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, marketing, and car washing. I can cook Filipino dishes like adobo, tinola, and sinigang. And I can do also baking like cakes and simple pastries. I love taking care of elderly and children. I prepare them healthy food to find, give them vitamins and medicines as doctor's prescription, and guide them everywhere they go, everything they do, love them as my own family. Sir, madam, please hire me. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities very well, and I promise to finish my first day. Thank you.
Thank you.